This really is the ultimate hammer-on and pull-off exercise, and it's also gonna help add general strength and stamina to your fretting hand. Now, before we check the exercise, I just wanna quickly go over how this is going to help you and what you can do to ensure that you get the most benefit from this exercise for your playing specifically. Now, if you end up agreeing and you find this video helpful, definitely give it a like, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar practice just like this. To start, this exercise is gonna be developing strength in each finger on the fretting hand, and it's also going to be preparing you for any potential scenario with regards to hammer-ons and pull-offs, because it's going to be drilling the relationship between each finger. So for example, index to middle, index to ring, middle to pinky, etc., etc. It's going to be preparing you for each one of those scenarios, and additionally, it's going to be working an accuracy component simply by how we're moving on the fretboard throughout the entire drill. Now, if you play through this for just 5 to 10 minutes each day for a week or two, you'll see some solid progress, but I think the big hurdle to get over on this one is that it's not the flashiest or most exciting exercise. However, the potential for progress really is unmatched. And this is a super simple drill. So the main thing to focus on here, in my opinion, would be playing through this a little bit slower than you think would be appropriate. You're really not going to get as much out of this exercise if you play through it too fast whatsoever. Now, you're welcome to play along with my example, but I really think the best way to go through this exercise is with a slow and controlled metronome, and I think you can actually hear it in my example. It's a bit rushed, and if and when I play through this exercise again, it will be with a much slower metronome to keep things really controlled and to make sure I'm getting the most benefit out of this drill. All right, let's get to the actual exercise. As always, the tabs are gonna flash on the back end of the exercise. I think it's helpful to pause, take a screenshot of the tabs so you can have them handy whenever you want to use them. Of course, if this exercise is helpful to you, give us a follow for more easy guitar practice. It's always greatly appreciated. But for now, have fun with this, and we'll see you next time.